New tonight at 5:30, only 4.3% of the black community in Kentucky has been vaccinated. It's a stark number representing the vaccine inequity that isn't just facing our state, but the entire country right now. Kristen Goodwillie has more about the partnership using community leaders to handle the outreach.
Pastor Timothy Finley with Kingdom Fellowship Church off East Broadway says when he first talked with UofL about this partnership, they were hoping to get 100 people signed up. They far exceeded that number, though, now at about 800.
It's not so much they were apprehensive about the vaccination. It was access.
This pop-up clinic is part of the effort to ensure that inequity is being addressed in Jefferson County. UofL says the main areas they're focusing on are West Louisville, South Louisville, and around the metro.
If you look across those communities, they've suffered a significant amount of disease burden from COVID-19, and we need to have the vaccines deployment match where the disease is.
Pastor Finley says they made signups for their Friday vaccination event as easy as possible, which he says has been a major barrier.
There are too many people saying the same thing, that it's too hard, it's misinformation, it's not enough information.
Folks just call the church and they'll answer any questions and get you signed up.
I had a gentleman literally meet me at the door saying, I want to sign up. Where can I sign up? People want it.
The inequity in vaccine distribution is something Pastor Finley says should have been addressed before it was an issue.
I believe that pastors and community leaders should have been at the table months ago.
With a keen insight into their neighborhoods, community leaders are able to identify the specific needs.
We said, if you want to see that number impacted, you're going to have to make certain concessions with certain groups. And they allowed us to go from 70 to 65. Which is a huge drop.
As people continue to call and sign up, the high numbers are welcome.
I'll be honest, I'm going to allocate as much as I possibly can to these projects because it's important.
This really is the only path forward.
UofL says they're working with 20 other churches to create similar clinics and plan to continue with them at least through the summer. I'm Kristen Goodwillie, WHAS 11 News.